Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. So today I will show you how Altium Develop enables concurrent editing and shared visibility so your hardware team can actually move faster. So let's get started. Now you can see here I am changing the adding the parameter of D1 TVS diode with value part number. I'm changing the part number to TVS underscore up and saving it. So let's wait. I'm saving this to the server and it is pushing the changes, and here we go. As we have made the changes to the BOM, to see it, go to the design reviews in your workspace and let's see overview, and here is the design request I have made. In this schematics option, after it loads, you will see what are the changes and what are the comparisons. It will make the comparison of what was changed. Here you can see the modified two components in one net. I have changed as shown in previously in the schematics. I changed the net of 5 volts and changed the BOM part numbers. So that's why it's saying the two parts are changed. So let's open these changes and see what are the comparison. The diode D1 is already highlighted when I open this, and on the right side you can see in the parameters option part number with TVS up is changed. On the left side in components option, you can also see the part number is basically changed. On the net side, highlighted with 5v underscore 1, this was the net that I changed earlier, so that's why it's indicating this one. So in this way you can see the changes made on your BOM is reflected into your workspace, and you can see in this way. Now let's move to the design reviews page. Here you can see on the right side reviewers. Multiple reviewers can be added by adding their email address. So when the design is reviewed, it can be sent back to you and you will receive the message by email. So let's create a simple design review request. When you open the design review request option, you will see this dialog box where you can enter the message to the reviewer, like I am writing message, hi, I have attached the files for your review, please review it, thanks. Yeah, so you can attach the files with it as well, and here are some design suggestions for the reviewer what you can attach with this message. Like you can have these options checked, and these options will be sent to the reviewers with the file attached, and it can be sent to the reviewer after adding the email address, and then click to the submit for review. And here you can see choose option completed or rejected. It's the final point from our side. Either we are satisfied with the reviewer or rejected the review. To attach the file, click on attach files option, and from the menu you can select the files to be attached. Now let's see how can we track our activities whatever we did in recently in the software. Like if you go to the history option, you can see all your activities here, whatever is made changes in your design, like mcat changes suggested or project release, project committed, whenever the changes were made in the Altium Designer software, with the date and the time is saved in your history, so you can keep tracking your activities, whatever you are doing with the workspace. As we have seen in the start of the video, when we change the diode part number, we can see the change in the workspace, what we have changed in the BOM. So let's see what will be the response of MCAD when the part number is changed. So I have opened the MCAD designer in the Altium. So let's push to MCAD with the message. Write the message to MCAD designer. Hi, can you change the can you change or check if everything is fine with the design? Now send it to the MCAD and open your MCAD software. I open the SolidWorks and here I can see the message opens with hi, can you check if everything works fine with the design? So I don't know what are the changes in the design. So first of all, I have to pull the changes from the ECAD. So for this purpose, I will click on the pull option from ECAD. So here you can see the error message, multiple connector type component, and when you click on here you can see added part number ESP32W ROM 32D here. So it means it's not the updated file which the ECAD designer sent to us. So we require the updated files for this. For this we will push a message to the ECAD by saying please share the updated please share the updated file after changing the part number for ESP 32W ROM 32D and then send. It will send the message, and in this way if we make the changes in the BOM part number, even in the BOM part number, so everyone like ECAD, MCAD, all of them are synchronized, so they can see the changes. So now we will update the part number the ECAD designer, like someone using the Altium designer, so he will update the part number as I deleted that part number. Again I will save this to the server and it will save it. Now open the SolidWorks and see if this error still comes or is it resolved. So when I pull from the ECAD and it is detecting changes, now there is no error, you can see, so it's updated now. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and follow us for coming videos.